Many experts consider that cities hold the key to solving the world's major issues and that our future is tightly linked with their development. Although cities only represent 4% of the Earth's surface, a major part of human activity is concentrated there, causing substantial pressure on the environment and natural resources. This is even more important knowing that the urban population is increasing, a growth which is expected to accelerate in the years to come. According to the UN, 75% of the population will live in urban areas by 2050. In this key role, cities are confronted with many challenges which are only exacerbated by the consequences of climate change. For cities in developing countries which are already faced with deficiencies in infrastructure and housing, the challenges are even more important, notably since these countries are often confronted with a rapidly growing urban population, rapid urban sprawl, a more recent process of decentralisation, and a significant lack of resources. While cities all over the world are facing the same issues, political conditions and potential solutions that are necessary are often very different. It is indisputable that the local level is essential in implementing sustainable development policies and fighting climate change. Cities have many opportunities and indeed a great responsibility to improve their performance in the key domains that they influence, for example urban planning, land use, public transport and waste management. In this perspective, local policy needs to lead the way and also encourage partnerships to increase the available means of action. As a consequence of the key role that cities have to play in the future of our planet, there are many actions and programs dedicated to the urban context, which use varying methodologies and are conducted by a significant number of stakeholders and donors. While this variety is a true asset, it also contributes to a lack of consistency and makes it difficult to duplicate actions and to generalise good practice. The increasing number of stakeholders and programs which act on the issue of sustainable urban areas inevitably results in competition for the available funds, which are greatly insufficient compared to the challenges which must be addressed. Finally, the different initiatives being implemented are generally part of thematic and/or geographical programs and are therefore being implemented in very specific cases. This makes it difficult to benefit from replicable methods and tools. In order to address the different issues and taking into account the complexity but also the similarity of urban spaces, it seems necessary to encourage the pooling of knowledge and to capitalise on successful experiences while applying a holistic approach to addressing the challenges of sustainable cities. While taking into account the complexity of the numerous challenges that cities are facing, the Institute of La Francophonie for Sustainable Development, subsidiary organ of the International Organisation of La Francophonie, and the NGO Energies 2050 decided together to found the Francophonie's Initiative for Sustainable Cities in order to reinforce and multiply the opportunities for action.